Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to give access to Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password. Now click on this website button below the website you want to give access to. From this left side menu, click on Settings and go to Permissions and Ownership. Click again on Permissions and Ownership. Click on this black Invite Contributor button. Now fill in the name of the person you want to give access. For example, Ben2. Fill in the email address. From this list, you can enable the role you want to, or the roles you want to give to your contributor. For example, you can give access to as an administrator to get full access but can't transfer ownership. Same thing with billing. He can buy or change plan except for domains and Google Workspace. You can also give a website editor access or role, access to analytics, comment moderator, or just a viewer. For selling, you can give access to as a store manager. And for email campaigns, you can give access or role to an email campaigns editor. For scheduling, you can give access to scheduling administrator or just access to scheduling view and edit. After that, let's give it access to scheduling view only. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. After that, click on Next. Scheduling contributors must be assigned to at least one calendar. I will give him access to this calendar. Click on Invite. Now my access invitation is sent by mail. And this is an example of an access invitation email message that your contributor will receive. All you need to do is to click on the accept invitation button, this one, to create his account and get access to your Squarespace account. That was all for this video. Don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe. Thank you.